Welcome. In this tutorial we'll introduce the XAware technology and the very real business problem it will solve for you. XAware makes it easy to quickly build reusable services that provide access to data in a standard way. Application developers these days are faced with complex information structures and an accumulation of applications and data sources deployed over the years to address specific needs. The result is a wildly diverse, disorganized mass of information spread across many systems and duplicated in many formats. This data is the lifeblood of your applications and a central player in any business process. Accessibility to the data is a very common business need, and developers have to find efficient ways to build and deliver services that provide access to the business data. Our XML-based data abstraction layer solves the business problem by hiding the complexity of back-end data systems. By implementing a data abstraction layer, XAware reduces common architectural struggles and allows you to quickly implement services to support critical business objectives. It is standards-based and plugs into your development and production environment. It is metadata-driven for efficient management and reuse. Some common use cases for XAware include reusable data services for service-oriented architecture, XML transformation for business-to-business exchange, data access for rich Internet applications, ETL for data movement, consolidation, and warehousing, sharing data between software-as-a-service applications and other applications, and embedding a data access layer into your Java applications. With XAware, you can now build reusable data services to interact with any number of data sources. The result is any application or service can request the data in a well-organized, logical format without having to worry about the physical layout. XAware speeds the development of data services by letting you access and integrate multiple disparate data and application resources, eliminating the need to write custom code to access and translate the data. It implements the use of metadata files, which are configuration files containing data access and transformation commands. The BizDocument metadata file essentially defines the structure of the service. It can be built from a schema, an XML file, XAware script, or even from scratch. In addition to defining the structure of the service, a BizDocument may contain instructions that can be used to transform the data. The BizComponent metadata file is used to interact with data sources and transform between raw data formats and XML. XAware helps you build BizComponents through an easy-to-use wizard interface, which exposes metadata from the source. For example, for relational data sources, you are shown the available tables and columns in the database. BizComponents become reusable datasets, which can be called from any number of data services. The BizDriver is used to specify and manage the connection between the web service and the target data source, and to close that connection when it is no longer necessary. You must have a BizDriver for each backend data source, but the drivers can be reused across service requests. Once a service is created and tested in the design environment, it is deployed to the XAware engine. After it is deployed, a request can be sent over a number of channels to activate a BizDocument. A BizDocument can be invoked over HTTP, SOAP, an EJB call, a message queue, or with a direct method call using the Java API. When invoked, the BizDocument calls the appropriate BizComponents and connects to the target data sources. The end result is that you have access to your data through a standards-based data services layer. This speeds the development of new applications, as well as enabling seamless integration of existing applications within the enterprise and with your partners. If you'd like to learn more, please follow this link to view other tutorials, and let us know how you like it in the forums at xaware.org. And thanks for watching.